12 Passive Income Ideas to Start in the USA. Many passive income ideas that can thrive in the United States. The US is one of the most connected countries globally, making it a great place to start up a passive income idea since a large majority of them require a good internet connection. Some excellent passive income ideas that can be done in the USA include blogging, podcasting, monetizing chatbots, e-commerce, monetized niche sites, dropshipping, print on demand, and more. You can also engage in side hustles like food delivery apps or peer-to-peer rentals. It all depends on what you are able to do and passionate about. In this video, we cover 12 passive income ideas you can start in the USA to make money. Most of these ideas are easy to start and run, but they require patience, dedication, and hard work in order to earn you passive income. Number 1. Blogging. Blogging has become a popular way of earning passive income online. Blogging is a billion-dollar industry and the number of US bloggers is expected to surpass 31 million in 2020. You can start a blog about topics you are knowledgeable or passionate about. Once you attract an audience and traffic to your site, you can monetize it through Google Ads, selling digital products, etc., in order to earn a passive income. Number 2. Chatbots. Increased usage of AI in business communications led to an increase in the popularity of chatbots. Forbes indicates that 62% of US consumers prefer using chatbots to interact with businesses since they save time and provide immediate answers. Chatbots can be big business in the US if you know how to use them wisely. You can earn passive income by creating and selling chatbots to businesses, giving your bot away for free and earning commissions on sales and leads, or by using your bot for affiliate marketing. You need to identify an industry that you are interested in and can benefit from the technology, create a bot based on their needs, and choose ways of monetizing it to earn passive income. Creating bots is easy and requires minimal supervision once they are up and running. However, it requires patience to drive traffic to your bot and attract advertisers and businesses. With the right content, a sound audience, and a popular industry, you can earn excellent passive income with a well-monetized bot. Number 3. E-commerce. E-commerce is one of the most lucrative passive income ideas both in the US and around the world. Online retail sales in the US for physical goods amounted to over $350 million in 2019 and is expected to reach just under $600 million by 2023. Moreover, the US is home to some of the largest e-commerce companies like Amazon and eBay. E-commerce is hence a great way to make money online, but it's key to make sure that it is set up to be passive if that is what you would like. There are many ways of earning passive income from e-commerce, including selling your own products, selling products you don't physically stock, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, print on demand, and selling digital products. With the right strategies and execution, most of these passive income e-commerce ideas can earn you over $1,000 per month in passive income. Number 4. YouTube. YouTube has become a popular content sharing platform and many people are earning thousands of dollars a month from monetized channels. In the US, YouTubing is a lucrative way of earning passive income. According to Statistica, the top 6 YouTube earners in 2019 were all Americans, with the highest earner, 9-year-old Ryan Kanji, making over $25 million. As long as you have information, either educational or entertainment, you can share and the ability to attract an audience, you can start a YouTube channel, monetize it, and earn passive income. Achieving monetization status is the most difficult part, which requires patience and dedication to your audience. With the right content, a growing audience, and proven strategies, you can earn over $1,000 per month with a monetized channel. Number 5. Podcasting. Podcasting is a popular way of sharing information that has grown tremendously in the US. In 2018, there were 75 million podcast listeners in the US and the number of monthly listeners is expected to hit 164 million by 2024, making the US the largest podcast market on the globe. With excellent content and a sound following, podcasting can be a lucrative passive income idea. Recording podcasts is easy if you have a smartphone, and requires minimal intervention once it is published. The hardest part is creating popular content and driving traffic to your podcasts. However, with the right strategies, you can create a popular podcasting business and earn a decent passive income. Number 6. Creating niche sites. Niche sites are like blogs but focus on very specific topics and appeal to particular audiences. Like a regular blog, a niche site can be an excellent way of earning passive income. You need to identify a specific niche, create quality content by answering popular search queries about the niche, drive traffic to your site, and monetize it to earn income. Ricky and Jim from Income School share actionable strategies to create profitable monetized niche sites and blogs. Using their strategies, you can earn excellent passive income with a monetized niche site. Number 7. Dropshipping. Dropshipping products online has become a popular way of earning passive income. In 2018, the dropshipping market size was valued at $102.2 billion and is expected to grow at a rate of 28.8% from 2019 to 2025. The US is one of the largest and most popular markets for dropshipping. Many dropshippers sell a few high-ticket items or hundreds of low-ticket items. The amount of income you can earn from dropshipping depends on the items you choose to dropship, the available market for your products, profit margins, and expenses incurred. However, dropshipping is not a very easy idea and it requires a lot of research, knowledge, and skills. But you can earn a decent passive income from it. Number 8. Print on demand. The custom t-shirt printing market is expected to grow to about $10 billion by 2025. Print on demand is a good way for beginners and artists to make money from their own designs. You make income by selling printed designs of your work to different online buyers. Once a buyer purchases your product, the company fulfills the order on your behalf. It allows you to make money without ever having to touch the stock. Online platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Amazon are a few e-commerce platforms where you can sell to active buyers. You can choose to create your own designs or have them made for you. Platforms including Ecwid allow you to sell your prints through some of the different social media platforms including Facebook and Instagram. Number 9. Selling ebooks. In 2017, close to 266 million ebooks were sold in the US alone. The growing popularity of ebooks is mostly because of the growing number of publishers who are looking to publish their books digitally. You can make an income by creating ebooks and then selling them to online customers. Choosing the correct niche can help you find ready buyers for your content. Identifying your target market is very important when you decide to take part in this passive income stream. Your topics should also be interesting enough to attract people to buy your book. Number 10. Charging scooters. Electric scooters have become popular means of micromobility in major US cities. According to the National Association of City Transportation Officials, NACTO, Americans took over 84 million trips on shared micromobility in the US in 2018, more than double the number of trips taken in 2017. It is therefore clear that electric scooters are a big deal in America. You can earn a decent income by charging electric scooters in your area. Depending on the number of scooters you charge and the price, charging scooters can be a lucrative income idea. Number 11. Food delivery apps. According to Statistica, 10% of Americans use food delivery services once a week and 52% order food for delivery over lunchtime. You can earn income through food delivery apps like Uber Eats, Deliveroo, and DoorDash, all available in the US. Depending on the number of deliveries you make, your customer's location, and other factors like tips, food delivery services can help you earn $500 per week or more. All you need is to identify the service in your area, sign up, ace the test, make deliveries, and make money. Like charging scooters, food delivery is more of an active income idea because you are involved in the delivery process. However, you can do it as a highly flexible side hustle during your free time or over the weekend. Number 12. Pet house sitting services. In 2019, there were over 150 million pet cats and dogs in the US alone. You can earn passive income by offering pet or house sitting services. According to Rover, sitters can make up to $1,000 per month, and those offering overnight pet sitting services can make up to twice as much. On average, pet sitters make between $30 to $80 per day when offering doggy daycare. Pet sitting services are fairly easy and include tasks like cleaning, feeding, and walking pets, administering medication, and other tasks requested by the owner. House-sitting tasks include simple house chores like cleaning, tending to plants, handling deliveries, ensuring security, etc. Some popular platforms for pet and house-sitting services available in the US include Rover, PetSitter, PetSitting.com, and PetSit.com. Thanks for watching.